Hello guys and girls, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today the Vespa GTS fuse box location and then how to check the fuses. But before we get started on the Vespa,
hey, careful man, there's a beverage here, huh?
always make sure you've got a lovely cup of tea if you're going to be working on the Vespa. So this is on the Vespa GTS 300 model, but it should be the same for all other modern GTS models. So what you need to do is, with the key in the ignition, you just push the key forwards, which opens the glove box. They can be a bit sticky, those glove boxes. And the fuse box is over here on the left. Now there's just a small cover over the top of these, very easy to remove. So we just come in from the left hand side now. So just put your fingers around it and just give it a pull. Very simple. And there are the fuses, all 6 of them. Now I'm just going to check them old school, but there's a link above now about how to check them without having to take them out. But I'm just going to use a pair of long nose pliers, pull them out, and then just check it in the sky. And this one is in great condition. Make sure that you check them one at a time. Don't just pull them all out, because you'll never remember which ones go where. Although saying that, there's only 6, so you might remember. So let's just put that one back, and then we'll put the cover back on. The cover is really just to stop them getting damaged if you've got stuff in the glove box. And there we go. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. Really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Be sure to hit that bell notification tab.